So here we are on the 24th day of August. Now you can see how fast we're running, and we're still doing wheat harvest. And somewhere along the line, someone decided that a combine would make a great pellet mill. I don't know, man. It's been the weather, it's been everything, and ended up windrowing the wheat. And I mean, this is how it's coming up. The moisture's just been too high. I think we got 1,000 acres to go. We're gonna get through this, and then maybe I'll have time to sit down and do some editing of all the dang content I have and get you guys a real video.